Okay, for those who can't quite tell, I'm laying at a really weird angle. This is the headliner on the Camaro. As you can see, it's very evenly black and clean. It used to be like a dingier color. The fabric was very tacky, very sticky, because I smoked in this car very heavily for 7 years, driving to and from work. Now, normally I avoid headliners because I've had some really bad experiences in the past. If you get them too wet, they tend to fall. So I spoke with a friend of mine who's been doing this a lot longer and at a lot, I guess you could say, higher level than I've been doing. And he suggested using a foaming cleaner and dry microfiber cloths. I did that. The only thing I haven't done is vacuum the headliner itself to get, the dry residue out. I will pause here for a second. I will show you the cleaners and the towels that I used and what they turned out like afterwards. Okay, here are the towels. This one, obviously the worst, was along the top edge of the driver's door window, where most of the smoke was drawn out of the car and stuck to the material of the headliner. You can see just how much crud and grime and residue was there. This one is the one I wiped down the whole headliner with after using the foaming cleaner and the little plastic scrubby brush that comes with it. Both of these towels where I started were brand new and a very bright yellow, kind of like that. Look at them now, and you can see just how much crud was taken out. Now, what did I use to clean them? Well, if you know me at all, watched any of my videos, turtle wax is my go-to. I went to Walmart and bought Turtle Wax Interior 1 multi-purpose cleaner, carpet, upholstery, and vinyl. It says it's got oxy in it. And it comes with this detachable scrubby brush. You can spray either through the brush and use the can as a handle, and that's kind of difficult doing a headliner, so I just removed the brush. And you can kind of see in the brush how there's some of the residue still left in it. It's a foaming cleaner, so I heavily foamed the headliner, let it soak for a few minutes as per the instructions on a severely dirty surface, scrubbed it real well with the brush, and then I went over it with dry microfiber towels to remove the cleaner and the loosened residue. And these are the results. That foaming cleaner is extremely inexpensive. It's like $7 a can. My headliner was so bad I used about 3/4 of a can because I ended up doing it twice. And being a foam cleaner, there is very little liquid introduced. It minimizes the risk of the headliner falling. It's also got a scent to it and Odorex, which supposedly eliminates odors. That was the only part of the interior I had not yet cleaned. And now the car no longer smells like old smoke. It's fresh, it's clean, and everything is the way it should be. Just take a look at that. That is in my lungs, basically. And I'm working very hard. I'm down to about 8 to 10 a day from 30 to 35 a day. And it is a chore trying to quit, but I'm working on it. So here you go. This also works well on vinyl seats. So if you don't have an extractor or a wet dry vacuum, it doesn't deep clean down into the foam padding of the seats, but it doesn't soak them either, and it does not risk excess moisture causing mold, and it dries extremely quickly. All in all, a good buy, as well as effective. Thanks for watching.